All right, so we're going to be converting measurements and we're doing the reading strategies, and these are going to be your notes. So you're going to keep these in your folder. You're going to get a grade for them, and then she's going to hand them back. All right, so sometimes you have to convert measurements from one system of measurement to another. You can use this conversion chart to help you change from customary units to metric units. So customary units are the inch, foot, yard, mile, and then the metric are the centimeters, meters, meters, and kilometers, okay? So what we're going to do is we are going to set up proportions to help solve for the missing thing or the thing you're looking for. So, like for number 1, it says 8 yards is this little squiggly line means approximately so many meters. So what that means is I'm trying to find how many meters are in 8 yards. So if I have 1 yard, it's 0.914 meters, and so on and so on. All right, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to set up a proportion. So I'm going to write 8 yards to X meters, because I do not know how many meters are in 8 yards. So 8 yards is approximately X meters equals yards to meters. All right, so the yards is across from the yards, the meters is across from the meters in the proportion. So I'm going to have my thing, and I have one yard is 0.914 meters. Okay, well now I just do cross multiplication. So I would have 8 times 0.914 is equal to 1x, because I just cross multiplied. And 1 times x is 1x. All right, so now all I'm going to do is multiply, and you can go over here, 0.914 times 8. 4 times 8 is 36. 8 times 1 plus 3 is 11. 8 times 9 is 72, plus 1 is 73. And I have 1, 2, 3 numbers behind my decimal, so I need to move my decimal 1, 2, 3 places to the left. So my answer would be 7.316 meters. All right, so 8 yards is approximately 7.316 meters. Yay. Okay, number 2. You're doing the same exact thing. So I have 2 gallons is approximately how many liters? So I have 2 gallons to X liters equals gallons to liters. You just have to set up a proportion when you're converting. So 2 gallons is to X liters. So I look at my conversion chart and I see 1 gallon is 3.79 liters. Well, when the numbers are diagonal from each other like this, so I have multiplied 2 times 3.79 is equal to 1x. So to get how many liters are in 2 gallons, all I do is multiply. 8 times 2 is 18. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 1 is 15. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. There's 2 numbers behind my decimal. So I have 1, 2 numbers behind my decimal in my answer. So in 2 gallons, there's approximately 7.58 liters. All right. So number 3, I'm going to help set it up, and you can try it on your own. So I have 6 pounds is approximately X kilograms. Okay, so that equals pounds to kilograms. Okay, so I look up here and I have 1 pound is approximately 0.454 kilograms. So all you do, cross multiply, and I have 6 times 0.454 is equal to 1x. So to get x by itself, I just multiply 6 times 0.454. Okay, So that's what you're going to do, and the answer will be after you answer it. I'll tell you in the Edpuzzle. Okay, number 4. 13 feet is approximately so many meters. So I do the same thing. 13 feet over X meters is equal to feet over meters. So I look at my conversion chart, and I have 1 foot is approximately 0.305 meters. So you multiply 13 times 0.305 is equal to 1x. So try that